The amazing adventure of the cell cycle. Once upon a time, inside your body lived a very busy cell. This cell was part of a huge team, helping your body grow, heal, and stay healthy. But how did this tiny cell do so much? Well, it had a secret: the cell cycle, a magical journey all cells must take. Let's dive into this wonderful world and see how the cell goes through its amazing adventure. Phase 1: the interphase, the preparation. Before any big adventure, you have to prepare, right? Well, so does our little cell. This phase is called interphase. Think of it as the time when the cell packs its backpack and gets everything ready for its journey. The interphase is the biggest part of the cell's day, where it does most of the work to get ready. The interphase is divided into 3 smaller phases. G1 phase, the growing phase. In this phase, our cell eats a lot of energy foods and grows. But it's not yet ready to copy itself. S phase, the copying phase. This is the most important part. Here, the cell makes an exact copy of its DNA. DNA is like the cell's treasure map, showing it how to do its job. Now the cell has double the DNA. G2 phase, the final checks. Now that the cell has packed its DNA, it does a final check. It makes sure everything is in place, just like making sure your backpack is zipped up before going on a trip. Phase 2: mitosis, the great split. Now that our cell is ready, it begins the next part of the adventure: mitosis. This is the most exciting part of the journey, where the cell actually splits into 2. Let's follow the steps of mitosis. 1. Prophase, the preparation. The cell begins to get organized. The DNA that was copied earlier gets neatly packed into special bundles called chromosomes. These are like rolled-up maps, all set for the big move. 2. Prometaphase, the waiting. The cell's walls disappear for a bit, and the special moving ropes called spindle fibers attach to the chromosomes. It's like getting ready for a tug of war. 3. Metaphase, the lineup. Now the chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell. It's like everyone standing in a perfect line, ready for action. 4. Anaphase, the big pull. The tug of war begins. The spindle fibers pull the chromosomes apart, one set to each side of the cell. Now each side of the cell has the same DNA treasure map. 5. Telophase, the calm after the storm. The journey is almost complete. The cell starts to calm down, and the chromosomes unwind into their soft form. 2 new cozy homes, nuclei, form around the chromosomes on each side. Phase 3: cytokinesis, the final split. Now comes the final step: cytokinesis. This is where the cell splits completely into 2 new cells. It's like cutting a birthday cake right down the middle. In animal cells, the cell pinches in the middle, and in plant cells, a new wall forms between the 2 sides. And just like that, our cell has completed its adventure, creating not 1, but 2 brand new cells, each with a full set of DNA treasure maps. The importance of the cell cycle. This journey is super important for growing and healing. Whenever you get a scratch, your body quickly makes new skin cells using this process. In plants, it helps them grow taller and stronger by making new cells in their roots and stems. And that's the magical story of the cell cycle. Every day, tiny cells inside you are busy with their adventures, helping you grow, repair, and stay healthy. Isn't it amazing how something so tiny can do so much?